Yo, Mr. Jiraiya, what should I do?
You're the child of the prophecy and you will finally reach your goal.
It's just the 5th episode, how can he reach his goal already?
I know. You trained very hard for your goal, but nobody wants to watch more than 700 episodes just for that.
Bruh.
約束だったじゃろ。胸を揉ませてやるから。
Oh my god, is this really happening? I can't believe I'm gonna reach my goal now.
Wait, what's gonna happen to my enemy then? Never mind.
I'm so close.
そこの家じゃ。
Bruh.
What happened? I just felt a huge impact on the time boop continuum.
Time boop continuum?